We are preparing at Patrick Henry Library for the closing of the branch because it will be renovated. Our closing is going to be later this spring and we don't have a particular date for the closing, but we know we want to start collecting history as remembered by community members of this building before it is raised for the new construction. I had been talking to people as they come in and they learn about our closing for renovation, that they would say something about a memory that they had. And that made me think that an oral history recording would be a good idea. Our Virginia room had also recently launched a family history kit, and we thought we could kind of combine the two ideas into a kit that could be used both by library staff or by the Historic Vienna Inc. organization that we've partnered with.
We're really excited about this project because it will end up being a real time capsule. Libraries have just always been important to the Vienna community. I think this project will be one more thing to pull the community together and realize how important it is.
I think people will find when they listen to or read these transcripts that they will have similar memories, and that it will just reinforce the importance of libraries in a community, and in particular this community. They can email me. I'm deborah.smith-cohen@fairfaxcounty.gov, or they can get in touch with Historic Vienna Inc. and we'll set up an appointment.